Well, good morning to all the YouTuber people out there. Anyway, it's a gorgeous Saturday morning. Today is June 24th. Got the sprinklers going, watering the lawn, and man, it's just beautiful on these Southern Oregon mornings. Been up since about 5:30. It was nice and cool this morning, just over 45 degrees. And anyway, well, we got a cat. Good morning, buddy. Anyway, this cat's name is Sam. Anyhow, well, we are going to a car show today. Crustine and I. The local car show is today. So last night I got Crustine all ready to go. She's all spit and shined and cleaned up and all happy. She's ready to show herself off a little bit. Put some shoe shine on her. And cleaned out the bed. Took the board out. Got some seats. And even polished the spare tire. Anyway, it's hard to believe the original bedwood still lasted pretty well. Do have some rather large holes back there, but one of these days I'm going to get a bedwood kit for this thing. So, anyway, got the motor cleaned up as best I could. She's going to be at a show for the day, so it's going to be a rather hot show too, because it's supposed to be 105 here today. So, hopefully we'll be lucky and we'll get some shade. But anyway, not sure if I'm going to get any footage of the car show, but I guess we'll find out. So, alrighty guys, well, y'all have a good one. See ya. '63 Impala 2-door. Ken, you're going to love these. Got a 292, 3.1 barrels, custom headers. I know the guy who owns this one pretty well.
Dreaming, I'm always dreaming, dreaming, love will be mine. Searching,
Mr. Heavy Chevy might like this one.
I'm always searching, hoping someday I'll find someone to love me. Someone who needs me, but keep right on dreaming, always dreaming, dreaming, love will be mine, searching, I'm always searching.
Oh, you're good.
Someone who needs me. But until then, well, I'll keep on dreaming. Keep right on
Ford right
dreaming.
here.
Dreaming till my dreaming comes true.